Sometimes you don't want a derived value, you want to run a side effect when something changes, logging an API call, a manual DOM update. In this video you'll use watch and watchEffect to react to real reactive changes. searchTerm is a real ref. A watcher below will track for changes. This watcher genuinely fires every time searchTerm changes, with both the real new and old values. watchEffect runs immediately and reruns automatically whenever count.value is read and changes, no explicit source needed. Passing an array watches both refs at once, firing if either one genuinely changes. Immediate true makes this watcher genuinely run once right away, using the real current value. Without a watcher, reacting to a change means manually rechecking values yourself. Watch and watchEffect run real code automatically the moment the data they track actually changes, immediately or lazily as you choose. Watch source callback runs whenever the specific source changes, giving you new and old values. watchEffect FN auto-tracks whatever reactive values it reads, no explicit source list needed. Immediate true runs a watcher once right away instead of waiting for the first change. Add a watcher on a ref of your own that logs a message every time the value doubles in size. Next, splitting your UI into real, reusable components.